Hello, America. My name is Rebecca Johnson, and I am the Friendly School Counselor at Daphne Elementary School. This year, I have the honor of representing my state as Alabama's School Counselor of the Year. I am happily married to my best friend, and together we have a beautiful blended family. Family is most important to me, and I take the love for my family and I bring it to my students each and every day. One principal once described me as the mother of his school. I received both my degrees from the University of South Alabama. I earned my bachelor's degree in elementary education in 2006, and in 2016, I received my master's degree in school counseling. I currently get to be the Friendly School Counselor at Daphne Elementary, which is a part of the Baldwin County Board of Education. Daphne Elementary is a pre-K through 3rd grade school. Daphne is a Title I school, and in 2019, we were recognized as a Blue Ribbon school. We're also a Leader in Me school, and this past year, our school received Lighthouse status. At Daphne Elementary, I run a comprehensive school counseling program that aligns itself with the American School Counseling Association national model. Each year, I create a binder that organizes my school counseling program into the 4 main content areas. More importantly than documenting what I do, I also find creative and exciting ways to serve my students. I created digital Google Classrooms, and within these Google Classrooms, I share virtual recordings of counseling lessons, as well as interactive and virtual coping strategies to support students if they're ever having difficulty managing uncomfortable emotions. Students can also see me virtually every Wednesday for our Wacky Wednesday joke of the day during our morning announcements. Since my school focuses on grades pre-K through 3rd, I'm a strong believer in early intervention services. I take a proactive approach to school counseling and providing whole group counseling lessons every 2 weeks, teaching topics such as how to be a learner, empathy, self-management, problem-solving, and friendship. I also provide small group services, and these are created each semester based on school data results. In the past few years, I've covered topics such as emotional intelligence, and since the pandemic, grief and loss. Individual counseling services are provided daily for students in need. I also take a look at the data to help identify and build relationships with our most at-risk students. In every counseling office I've had, I've created a safe place for students to go to if needed. In this space, I provide a variety of tools to help students find their own state of calm. As the school counselor, it's my job to stay calm, see the need, meet the need, and don't give up on them. I'm a member of multiple professional organizations, and I've been published in newsletters, magazines, and newspapers. I've also presented at national conferences. As a Friendly School Counselor, I continue to try and find creative ways to engage students, build resiliency, and teach them the importance of building enriching relationships with others. The world we're living in is changing, and we must empower our students to value a work ethic, persevere through difficult times, accept difference, and have unconditional regard for all mankind. We have to show our children that we are human, and sometimes it can be hard to be human. But if we stay calm, see a need, meet a need, and don't give up, then we can all have the power to make the world a better place. My name is Rebecca Johnson, and I'm the Friendly School Counselor at Daphne Elementary. I have the honor and privilege to represent my state as the 2023 Alabama School Counselor of the Year. No matter where you are, and no matter what you're doing, always know that I love you.